Final step, attach robotic ignition system. Thank you for using help desk technology.
What's up guys, me Google Man PSN. Today, welcome to the Let's Play Ratchet, just adjusting camera settings. This will be post-commentary Let's Play because one, I suck at live commentary, and two, if you see my E3 video, you know I can't do live commentary. So, for now on, this Let's Play will be post-commentary. Now, welcome to the Let's Play channel, the Dude's Let's Play. I'm Google Man PSN from Google Man PSN. And yeah, and this part will have mostly cutscenes actually. So this part's pretty short in terms of commentary. But anyways, this is the first Ratchet and Clank game I reviewed. Most people say this game hasn't aged well because the other games in the series brought the nanotech leveling up system, and well, what the hell is happening with that as well. Yeah, but this game's actually fun to revisit because it tells how the series began. Now, one reason how people think it hasn't aged well because you know, the weapons are not that much useful. I mean, you can the wrench does a pretty damn good job at attacking. And there's no upgrade until you know do challenge mode, which is New Game Plus. But yeah. You know, also this Let's Play will go on for a few weeks, and so after this Let's Play, I'm going to spawn to a Nintendo Wii Let's Play. It's either going to be Sonic Colors or Sin the Punishment Star Successor. I would like you guys to pick, but no, I think I'll do Sonic Colors because I actually really want to play that. Oh yeah, that Let's Play will be blind. This Let's Play is not going to be because you know, this is the first, no, I have played this game 2 times before. So, yeah, stay tuned in a few days. Maybe my friend, Mr. Pokemon Games, shouldn't make a YouTube video anymore. Will make his Minecraft Let's Play. It will be pretty good. I mean, seriously, the wrench does a pretty damn good job in this game. I mean, it could, destroy everything. In the upper games in the series, they want you to forget you have the wrench because of the nanotech leveling up system. So, also I'm grinding for bolts, which is a hell that I hate grinding for bolts in this game. It's mainly because all the weapons are very expensive and you don't get that much bolts. And really,
interesting.
Guy!
You're quite handy with your wrench.
You bet. I built that ship with it.
Currently, I'm in search of someone who could be of assistance in saving the solar system. Do you know where I might find that fellow?
Well, he's on the radio every week. Other than that, no. Hey, what's with all this save the solar system stuff anyway?
Hello, citizens of... My race, the Blog, have a small problem. Our planet has become so polluted, overpopulated, and poisonous that we are no longer able to dwell here. But I, Chairman Drek, have a solution. We are constructing a pristine new world using the choicest planetary components available. So what does this mean to you might ask? Using highly sophisticated technology, which you couldn't possibly understand, we will be extracting a large portion of your planet and adding it to our new one. Unfortunately, this change in mass will cause your planet to spin out of control and drift into the sun, where it will explode into a flaming ball of gas. But, of course, sacrifices must be made. Thank you for your cooperation.
Cut!
And if you don't like it, you can take your whiny, sniveling, snot-nosed populations, form a line behind me, and kiss my... We're still on? Well, turn it off, you idiot!
The people on those planets are hosed. Well, good luck getting Captain Quark to help you.
Actually, you could help me. If you could use your ship to take me to the coordinates contained in this infobot, I might be able to gather further information there.
Even if I wanted to, I can't. I'm missing a crucial component of the ship.
The robotic ignition system.
How did you know that?
I, sir, happen to be equipped with the latest in robotic ignition systems. My programming allows me to start any ship I choose.
So, I agree to take you to this, wherever it is, and you get my ship started for me?
That is what I'm proposing.
Deal.
This could be a problem. Take care of it.
Whoa, this is great! So that's where I've been stuck this whole time.
Please return your appendages to the steering mechanism, sir.
Huh? Oh, right. Sorry. Oh, and by the way, you can stop calling me sir. The name's Ratchet.
Pleased to make your acquaintance, sir.
You got a name?
My serial number is V54296.
Oops. I'll just call you Clank for short. Hang on!
So you see, it would be most beneficial if your citizens were not in the city when my workers begin removing it.
Preposterous! I will not stand for this.
Unfortunately, you have no choice in the matter.
Let's just see what Captain Quark has to say about that, my good man. I don't see what's so funny. Captain Quark could dispatch you without even breaking a sweat, you puny...
You have now officially worn out your welcome and my patience.
This is your last chance. Stop this madness now!
Okay, wait. You're right. I will withdraw my troops.
Really?
No! He's all yours, gentlemen. Try not to leave any marks.
Clank? Where are you? Oh, sorry about that. Well, we're not leaving the way we came in.
Perhaps we could procure a ship from one of the inhabitants.
If there are any left.
Okay guys, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, turn on the video, and stay tuned for part 2.